In angles and measurement, we often come across such type of problem wherein you need to convert an angle from one measurement method to other measurement method. For example, you have angles in degrees and you want to convert the angle to radians, or you have been given the angle in radians and you would want it to convert it into degrees. So how will you solve such type of problems? So such problems are very easy to be solved and you need to remember only one expression for that. So let me just highlight that expression which you would be using for solving such problems. Okay, so this is that expression. This expression would help you convert the angle which is measured in degrees to angle which is measured in radians. Okay, so suppose you have an angle. Suppose this is a angle, and suppose you want to suppose this is the angle, right? Just a minute. Okay, so this is the angle, right? So this angle, if you want to if it is given in degrees, okay, suppose this is 70 degrees. Okay, so let us say this is 70 degrees given. This is angle AOB, where OA is the initial arm, OB is the terminal arm. Terminal means where the angle ends. Okay, and O is the vertex. O is called as a vertex. So this terminologies you must know. OA is the initial arm, OB is the terminal arm, and O is the vertex. And this angle OAB is known as the directed angle. Okay, this is a directed angle, and this angle is given in 70 degrees. Okay, so you want to convert this angle into radians. So both degrees, you can denote the angle either in degrees denoted by this symbol, or in radians denoted by this symbol. Okay, so how to convert the degrees into radians or radians into degrees? Okay, so you need to remember this formula, that 70 degrees, if you want to convert, so 70 degrees would be 70 degrees into pi by 180. You'll have to multiply. So you need to multiply this degrees, multiply the degrees with pi by 180, and you will get the answer in radians. So this will give you the answer in radians. Okay, so how much is 70 degrees? 70 degrees is equal to 70 into pi by 180. So this would cancel and you will be left with 7 pi by 18 radians. So this is in radians. This is in radians. This is in degrees. Okay, or if you want to convert radians into degree, what will do? If you want, this is converting the degrees to radians. Okay, same thing. Suppose 180, 120 is degrees. So if you want to convert this degrees to radians, you need to multiply this again with pi by 180, and you multiply this with pi by 180, you will get the answer in radians. So minus 120 degrees minus 2 pi by 3, because this is 0 cancels. Then 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12, and 6 3s are 18. So this becomes 2 pi by 3 radians. A negative sign is that. Okay. So this way you convert. Similarly, 1 by 4 degrees is 1 by 4 into pi by 180. So this is pi by 720 radians. So very simple. If you want to convert, just remember, if you want to convert degrees to radians, multiply that with pi by 180. Very simple trick. Thank you very much.